Hey art friends, today we're going to play an awesome game that we made up. It's a drawing game, drawing challenge. What are we going to call it?
Blind drawing challenge.
I like it. So how come we're blind?
Well, because we have whiteboards on our face and then we're trying to draw.
Yeah, we're going to hold it up to our face like this so we can't see what we're drawing. And you don't have to use whiteboards. We just thought it would be fun to use these small little whiteboards. But you could also use paper plates or even paper attached to a clipboard. Now today we're going to call this our summer blind drawing challenge because we have a list of a bunch of summer things. And you can download this printable. It's free on artforkidshub.com. We'll leave a link below this video where you can download this, print it out, and even cut the strips, and then put it into a hat and play along with us. And this is our hat, our taco hat. It's upside down. Rich.
All the lettuce and cheese
it's
and tomatoes.
So we have all of the strips in here. So I'll draw one, and it's hot. So that actually might be a difficult word. Some are easy, and some are a little more challenging. And then I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put the board up to my face like this, and then I'm going to use my marker and try to draw hot, but Jack's going to try to guess it. Yeah. And if he can guess it, then I get a point. Now, we're just going to play for fun, but if you guys want, you can play this at home and play with teams and then keep score. Now, hot might be a little challenging. So if you guys want, you can actually make your own words to make it a little easier or even more challenging. You can play this at home or even in a classroom. All right, Jack, you ready to do the first one?
Yes.
All right, put hot back in there and let's mix it up. Also, let's make this more challenging. Instead of using our dominant hand, let's use our non-dominant. So I'm right-handed.
And I'm right-handed.
And you're right-handed, so we're going to use our left hand. That's going to make it even more challenging. If you guys are left-handed, be sure to use your non-dominant. So that means you'd use your right hand. All right, Jack, you ready to draw?
Yes.
I want to guess.
All right.
I'm going to give you 60 seconds.
All right.
Okay.
Are you just going to like count the 60 seconds?
Yeah, in my head.
All right.
I'll use my phone. On your mark?
Wait, this way or this way?
Either way.
Okay. I'll
Get set, go.
All right. So.
America.
Wait, no.
It doesn't look like
Oh,
America.
I drew on the wrong.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
I drew on the wrong.
I have no idea what you're drawing.
Okay, this time I'll draw, right?
Potato. Bacon.
Wait, I forgot how it looks. Crap. Oh, wait, okay. There we go.
I'm so confused.
All right, I finished.
I have no idea what that is. Maybe try it again over here. Try one more time. You got 12 seconds. Do it a little faster this time. It's something in the summer?
Yes.
I even made this list up, and I don't even.
I'm pretty much.
And that's done. Time's up. All right. What do you
can
think
tell
that
what
is?
that is. You can tell. That's easy.
What is it?
It starts with an S.
Let me turn off my timer. I have no idea. Okay, just tell me.
Sandals.
Sandals. Okay, I can see the footprint and I can see the strap now.
I thought I drew that like that big. I thought I drew that huge.
Yeah, it's not as big.
And those are the toes right there.
Oh, okay. So you actually drew the feet on there.
Yeah.
Too. Good job. I can see it now.
Yeah,
but
not
that
before.
was more challenging than I thought it was.
It's hard drawing left-handed because it feels like you're drawing on your face. It's weird.
Okay, my turn. Hand me the taco.
All right.
Okay, my drawing is going to be. Oh, okay. All right. Don't peek.
I didn't see through it.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Set. Go. Oh no. Oh, left-handed. Wait. Oh.
Penguin.
No, it's not a penguin.
Balloons. Diving.
Close.
Swimming.
Close.
Oh, so, surfing.
Close.
Skiing, like water skiing.
Water skiing. That was it. Good job. That was pretty good. That was close. You got the water down here. This is supposed to be the boat, and this was the rope and the skis.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Left-handed drawing with your non-dominant hand is challenging.
Yeah, I know it is.
It's really difficult. Okay, you do another one.
All
right. So you're a 0, and I'm 1. Oh,
wait.
Maybe it should be the other way around.
Yeah, I feel like it should be the other way. But if it was the other way, I could just draw scribbles and be like, guess it.
I know. But why don't we
let's not
just
do that.
work together? We got
Alright, yep.
we got 1 point. All right, pick it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, Omar, get set, go. Ground. Grass. 2 lines. Oh, sun. Ocean. Beach.
Yes.
All right, I can see it.
So
This is the
that's
beach, this is the ocean,
and then that's
the
the
sun,
sun.
setting.
And
All right.
then
So
there's a little...
I get a 1. You got to use your left hand.
Penguin.
There's a penguin on the beach.
Yes.
Good job.
You're welcome.
Okay, my turn. Oh, all right. Okay, I got it. On your mark, get set, go.
Underwater. Backstroke.
Well, what is that? What's backstroke?
Lean on your back. Like,
No, what is it? What are you
Swimming.
doing? Yeah, swimming. Oh, that's not it. I'm glad. If I just looked at that after I drew it, I would not know what that was. But you were watching me, so I did the water first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That does not look like swimming.
well, it kind of does.
Okay. All right, Mark.
Wait, no.
Get set.
Oh. Ow, my head.
Go. Water. Boat.
Close.
Boating.
Close.
Oh, canoeing.
Yes.
Canoeing. Yeah, you had the paddles. Those are awesome paddles. I like that. Good job.
That was
Except
easy for
that's
you.
my point, right?
So I was so good at drawing that.
Yeah, you did a great job. Okay, next one. Oh, okay, this is a good one. Ready, set, go. Uh-oh.
Default dance.
Look.
Baseball.
Yeah.
I knew it.
That looks like a caveman with a club. And
Yeah, it does.
he's trying to hit a coconut or something.
Or a strawberry.
Yeah, he's trying to break open a strawberry. Okay, good job. Give yourself a point.
My turn.
You mark, get
Wait,
set,
wait.
go.
Uh,
It's not drawing. There you go. Car.
pretty much, yeah.
Oh, that looks like luggage on the top. Is it a road trip?
Yes. Yes, that looks perfect.
We should have had Mrs. Hubbs make this list
Yeah.
because I know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Good
Like,
job
I
on
would
your
have
drawing.
guessed that.
Maybe
That looks like a...
car with luggage.
No, that looks like a...
Why is your car so sharp?
No, I was gonna say it looks like a bird with the those are wings.
Ooh, all right, that's a good one. We'll put the taco right there. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, left hand.
Switch.
Any ideas?
No.
No ideas?
No.
Let me try again. Okay.
You have 29 seconds.
Okay. I can do this.
He's staring. Lifeguard.
No.
A pot of... Oh, wait, what? I don't get it. He's staring at...
Oh, that's good. That's awesome. This is not staring. That is not staring. Come on.
I don't get it. That doesn't make sense.
Oh, really? You don't get that? Well, no. This isn't staring. He's throwing something.
Out of his eyeball?
It was hard. It was difficult for me to
Yeah, I know.
turn off. This is a dog. and he's throwing something.
Oh, playing catch. Frisbee.
Frisbee.
That makes more sense.
You didn't get it.
It looks like a person that's like sick. And they're just like
Throwing something up.
Oh.
We hope you guys had a lot of fun watching us play the Summer Blind
challenge.
Drawing Challenge. We hope you guys play this game with your family, your friends, or even your classroom. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Hey, parents and teachers, join our monthly membership and download our app. You can watch all of our art lessons in a safe, distraction-free environment. In the app, you can also download lessons to watch without any Wi-Fi connection. Just visit artforkidshub.tv to join.